Okay, so hello everyone. This is a tutorial video about how to teach online and what are the setups needed for teaching online, especially for maths teachers. So let us discuss one by one. First of all, what you will require is a broadband internet connection. This is my router where I am using a high-speed broadband internet, having a dedicated plan so that I can deliver my lectures online. And the system setup required will be, as you can see in the picture, that there is a laptop, a screen, a speaker, a stylus, and a writing pad, a microphone, and the teaching learning material, that is the book. So what happens here, whatever I'm writing on the tab with the help of the stylus, it is appearing on the screen of the laptop, and the second screen that you're seeing is used for getting the output what the students are getting on their end. The two softwares that we are using here is the Microsoft OneNote for writing the content on the screen, and Google Meet for transferring the video and the lecture to the students, those who are attending the online meet. The speaker is there to listen what the students are saying. The high quality mic is there for delivering our lectures in a good condition, in a good output of the sound. And this is the entire setup. As you can see, this is how it is written on the screen, and the students will be able to get this kind of output on the screen. Thank you.